Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Haven local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves cover a distance of 50 miles from your current location. 3 Movers is well equipped to move your belongings over a distance of 50 miles and beyond. We work with state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. That is why we are your best option if you are within the state or intrastate. We also make interstate moves, which are moves that extend across state borders. The safety of your belongings before and during the trip is our top priority, which is why our movers and drivers are very cautious. Our moving trucks have special compartments that enclose and protect your belongings. They are also strong, and we experience no breakdown during the move. To further secure your belongings, we have put a fantastic insurance policy to cover risks during the move. Local moves are usually interstate because they cover fewer than 50 miles, which mostly happens within a single state. 3 Movers is the top leading moving company in North Haven CT. Our operations are fast and accessible in the city, so locals prefer to reach out to us. We are very conversant with all the road networks in the city and follow all the state relocation regulations. Also, our moving services are the cheapest in the city. We charge around $30 to $40 every hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Haven moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.